You know, the internet has changed. We've gone from MySpace to TikTok. Now we see another shift. YouTube isn't just for vloggers anymore. A new breed of creator is taking over, the faceless YouTuber. These creators understand something crucial. You don't need to show your face to gain a following. They focus on content, not personality. This approach is shaking up the platform. It's a whole new ballgame. This trend is exploding. More and more people are choosing this path. Why? Because it works. It's a testament to the power of good content. This is the future of content creation. The appeal of anonymity. Let's face it, putting yourself out there is scary. Not everyone wants to be an influencer. Faceless YouTube provides an alternative. You can share your passions without the pressure. Privacy is a major concern today. People are hesitant to share their lives online. This method allows for anonymity. Creators feel safer and more in control. This approach is also liberating. It allows creators to experiment. They can try different niches without judgment. It's all about the content, not the face behind it. Within the faceless realm, there are two main avenues, traditional and automated. Traditional faceless channels require more hands-on effort. You create all the content yourself. This could include animation, voiceovers, or screen recordings. Automated channels leverage technology to streamline the process. Think AI voice generators or pre-made video templates. This method allows for faster content production. However, it often requires an initial investment in software. The best approach depends on your goals and resources. Do you value creative control? Or is efficiency your priority? Choose the path that aligns with your vision. Section 4. Launching your faceless channel, a step-by-step guide. Ready to jump in? Great. First, choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Focus on a specific topic. This helps you target the right audience. Next, study successful channels in your niche. What kind of content are they creating? What's their upload schedule? Learn from the best, but don't copy them. Develop your own style. Now, it's time to create your first video. Keep it short, engaging, and to the point. Don't worry about perfection. Just start creating. Consistency is key on YouTube. Upload regularly to gain traction. Section 5. Tools of the trade, essential software for faceless creators. Faceless content creation doesn't have to be difficult. Plenty of tools can help. For video editing, try user-friendly options like Filmora or InShot. These programs offer simple interfaces and powerful features. Need to record your screen? Look no further than Loom or Camtasia. These tools are perfect for tutorials and explainer videos. Want to add some voiceover? Consider AI voice generators like Google Cloud Text-to-Speech or Amazon Polly. Music is crucial for setting the mood. Explore royalty-free music libraries like Epidemic Sound or Artlist. Remember, high-quality audio enhances the viewing experience. Invest in a good microphone if you're doing voiceovers. Section 6. Monetizing your faceless empire, turning views into revenue. Once you've built an audience, it's time to monetize. The most common method is through YouTube's partner program. This allows you to earn ad revenue from your videos. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Promote products related to your niche and earn a commission on sales. You can also sell digital products like ebooks or online courses. Don't forget about sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for collaborations. Choose sponsors that align with your values and audience. Diversify your income streams for long-term success.